You can't say anything real nice. It's better not to talk at all.